inside, but ime bo inside. I don't know if you're getting it. Then come bia, go po, gaba, jebe, puba, close, wachie, mechie, close, mechie, wachie, open, kwaye, meye, open, kwaye, meye, tall, ogologo, tall, ogologo, nwa atolo ogologo, nwaanyị atolo ogologo, my mother atolo ogologo, ogologo bụ tall. When you talk about slim, skinny, thin, ikwuzia girigiri, girigiri, tani tani, onye du skinny, du tani pele pele, ikpọ ya girigiri, ikpọ ya pere or tani tani, or do tani too much. The person is skinny, you know. Fat, Igbo, fat, Igbo. Mouth, ọnụ, tongue, ire bụ tongue. Start, bido. Let's start, ka anyị bido. We, anyị. Them, unu, moisi, ha. It's either you use HA to describe hawa, unu. Like, it depends on the context, depends on how you want to use it. But they're the same thing. Unu, them, okay? Ani, us, we, okay. Take, were, nata, wetiha, nataiha. Take this thing. Natiha, wetiha, some, ụfọdụ, many, ọtụtụ, human, mmadụ, people, ndị mmadụ, human, mmadụ, people, ndị mmadụ, mmadụ. Music, egwu, dance, gba. Then if you want to put it together, like I want to dance, achọrọ m ịgba egwu. So you cannot say dance is mgba egwu. No, dance abụghị mgba egwu. You can't put it together. You want to like explain them, you know, one after the other. You now say music, egwu, dance, gba. Then let's dance music, kani gba egwu. Okay, thank you. I have sing, gua. I want to sing a song. Achorom, igwu egwu. I've told you that achorom, bo I want to. Whenever you see choro, know that is want. I want. Want is choro. Want, choro. Mu, I. Achorom, igba egwu. Ị gaghị asị nchọrọ, ị ga-asịkwa nchọrọ igba egwu. Nchọrọ, mụ chọrọ igba egwu. Mụ chọrọ, I want to dance. Okay, then I have here peace, udo. Please, I need peace of mind. Biko, achọrọ m udo ulobi. Achọrọ m udo, I want. Please, biko, want, chọrọ, udo, peace. Okay, I have here with me quiet, bankiti, nkiti, bankiti, quiet, bankiti. Close your mouth, mechie ọnụ. Remember I told you close is mechie, mouth, ọnụ, mechie ọnụ. Close your mouth, mechie ọnụ. Close your mouth, mechie ọnụ gị. You is gị. You, gi, mechie, close. Mouth, ọnụ, gi, you. Close your mouth. mechie ọnụ gị, mechie ọnụ gị. Then I have here now kita ugbua, kita ugbua. Ụfọdụ si udo, but I'm actually using Igbo izugbe, general Igbo. Okay, we have dialects. What we are explaining here is general Igbo language, which is called Igbo izugbe. Kita ugbua, kita ugbua. Now, kita. Now, ugbua, kita. Okay, I have with me chest, obi, We also have heart, mkpụrụ obi, heart, mkpụrụ obi. Belly, afọ. Navel, otubo. I have sleep, ụra, I want to sleep. Bitter, inu. This thing tastes bitter. Ihe a na-enu inu. Proverb, ilu. Ilu is different from inu. The difference between both of them is The difference between two of them is L and ni, li and ni. Ilu bu proverb, inu bu bitter. Okay. I also have a friend, enyim, oyi. My friend, oyim. My friend, enyim. You can call anyone you want. Okay. So the last one is biko, please. Biko, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, I beg you. Biko, Anamayogi, Biko. God bless you. I love you.